All right. Settle in, future online moguls. Grab your favorite beverage. Mine's lukewarm coffee, a true entrepreneur's fuel, because we're diving deep today. Forget the get rich quick schemes plastered all over the internet. Forget the vague promises. Today, we're talking cold, hard, sustainable cash. Specifically, how I transformed my little passion project blog from something resembling a digital ghost town. Crickets chirping, dollar shaped tumbleweeds rolling by, into a smooth running $20,000 a month machine. And the engine? Affiliate links. Buckle up. Let me paint you a picture of before. Picture me, hunched over a laptop at 2 a.m., fueled by ramen noodles and desperation. I loved writing about, I poured my heart and soul into posts. And my audience? My mom, bless her heart, clicking refresh constantly. And maybe that one guy in Finland who accidentally stumbled upon my post about the aerodynamics of potato peeling. Don't ask. Revenue? Let's just say my PayPal account had cobwebs. I was passionate but broke. Passion doesn't pay the hosting bill, folks. Then came the epiphany, not delivered by a glowing unicorn, sadly, but by sheer frustration mixed with research. I realized I was treating my blog like a diary, not a business. I needed a monetization strategy that didn't involve slapping ugly banner ads everywhere or begging for donations. Enter affiliate marketing. Now, I know what you're thinking. Affiliate links? Ugh, spammy, pushy, annoying. Hear me out. That's the old way, the failing way. What I discovered was the art of affiliate marketing. It's not about shoving links down throats, it's about strategic, authentic recommendations. It's about becoming the trusted guide in your niche. So, how did I flip the switch? How did I turn those humble blue links into a roaring cash machine? Let me break down the core components of the engine. Fuel niche passion meets audience needs. I doubled down on what my specific audience actually needed and wanted. I stopped writing just for me. I started solving their problems. If I wrote about vintage cameras, I didn't just gush about aesthetics. I tackled where to find affordable repair kits that actually work, or the best beginner friendly film for your 1972 Canon. Actionable solutions became my content pillars. The spark plugs, authentic recommendations. I only promoted products and services I genuinely used, loved, and believed would help my audience. No sketchy stuff. If a product sucked, I said so. This built trust, the absolute non negotiable currency of affiliate success. My audience knew I wasn't just after a quick buck. They knew my recommendations came from experience. That trust, it's the jet fuel for conversions. The engine block, strategic placement and value first. I didn't just slap a link at the end of a post and pray. I wove recommendations seamlessly into my content. Did I just explain a complex gardening technique? Boom, link to the exact ergonomic trowel that saved my back. Did I just review a camera? Link to the reputable store where you can grab it, maybe even with a discount code I negotiated. The link was the natural next step in providing value, not an interruption. Think of it like a helpful friend saying, "Oh, you need one of those? Here's where I got mine. It's great." The turbocharger, SEO, and traffic. A money making machine needs raw materials. For me, that was traffic. I became best friends with SEO, search engine optimization. I learned how people searched for solutions in my niche. I optimized my posts relentlessly. More targeted traffic finding my valuable content equals more eyes on my relevant affiliate recommendations. This wasn't overnight. It took consistent effort, keyword research, yes, the unsexy stuff, and creating truly awesome content that people wanted to share. The lubricant, building the list. My biggest mistake early on, letting visitors vanish into the digital ether. I started offering something valuable in exchange for an email address, a killer checklist, a mini guide, exclusive tips. This email list became my most powerful asset. It allowed me to build deeper relationships, send targeted recommendations, like reminding gardeners about spring planting tools, and drive consistent traffic back to my blog, straight to my affiliate links. It's like having a direct line to your most loyal customers. Now, the journey wasn't all sunshine and direct deposits. Oh no, I promoted duds. I wrote epic posts that got zero traffic. I wrestled with tech glitches that made me want to throw my router out the window. Deep breaths, deep breaths. There were months where the machine sputtered and coughed, But each failure was a lesson logged, a gear adjusted. Then the magic started happening. That first $100 commission felt like winning the lottery, then $500, then hitting $1,000 a month. I remember doing a literal happy dance in my pajamas. But the real shift came when I stopped chasing individual commissions and focused on systemizing it. It became about the machine: consistent, valuable content, plus targeted traffic, plus strategic, trusted recommendations, plus capturing leads equals predictable, scalable income. $5,000 a month, $10,000, and finally, consistently breaking the $20,000 barrier. Not from one viral post, but from the relentless, optimized system humming away month after month. It wasn't luck. It was strategy, authenticity, and elbow grease applied intelligently. So, is this machine replicable? Absolutely. But you need the right blueprint. You need the tools. You need to understand the nuances, how to choose the right affiliate programs, how to negotiate better commissions, how to write copy that converts without being sleazy, how to track what's actually working. That's where the real fun begins. And that's exactly what I've poured into my Ultimate Affiliate Wealth Toolkit. Inside, you'll find the Niche Navigator Guide, pinpointing your profitable passion, content that converts, ebook, crafting posts that attract readers and commissions, authentic advocate, manual, mastering the art of trusted recommendations without the ick, traffic turbocharge, system, SEO and beyond, getting your golden content seen, list building leverage, playbook, turning visitors into lifelong fans and customers, machine maintenance, checklists, tracking, optimizing, and scaling your income. This isn't just theory, it's the exact step by step framework I use to build my $20,000 a month machine. It's packed with actionable strategies, templates, and the mindset shifts you need. Your blog, your passion, your expertise, it can be the foundation of your financial freedom. It can become that reliable income generating machine. Affiliate marketing, done right, is one of the most powerful, ethical, and sustainable ways to make serious money online. I'm living proof, starting from ramen noodles to real results. Ready to build your machine? Ready to turn your knowledge into wealth? Here's how you take the next step: smash that like button. It tells YouTube this content is gold and helps other future moguls find it. Subscribe right now. I drop deep dives like this regularly. You don't want to miss the next blueprint for success. Hit that bell too. Share this video with one person who needs to hear this message. Pay it forward. Help someone else start their journey. Most importantly, click the link in the description below. That's your direct path to the Ultimate Affiliate Wealth Toolkit, your educational guides, ebooks, inspirational manuals, and everything you need to skip the years of struggle and start building your $20,000 a month machine today. That link holds your key. Your transformation starts with a click. Don't just dream about financial freedom. Don't just admire the machine. Build yours. Get started now. I believe in you. Now go make it happen. I'll see you on the wealthier side.